Okay. Okay, so the sales looks like it's popping up right about here. Looks like there's no fun though, right, in this one. Fucking hate cats. They want to go outside when they need to. It's storming the Cubs area. What's going on in Chicago? Cause it's raining down there. Get on my list. Oh, looks like a short a little bit. What's Johnson Sports 34? Look at Chicago. Look at Chicago right now. What is going on in Chicago right now? Oh, Chicago's winning 6-1. Wow, Chicago. It's raining in Chicago. The game's canceled. Looks like the storm cell right here is not thunder or lightning in this one. Don't know why. That's retard. Totally the whole storm just died out. Oh, I'll catch you now when that's one. Heavy Rain, Part 1. Very heavy rain will be posted on YouTube. Very 3 times heavy rain. Very heavy rain. That's what I'm going to post on. That's it. Goodbye. I do not think we're not supposed to get any more of this. Stay tuned for more updates. So, that's it. If we get a storm, it'll be like a thunder clap or two. That's it. See y'all tomorrow.